In the heart of the 16th century, a new chapter unfolded in the annals of history, as Spain's conquistadors embarked on a quest for gold, glory, and God in the vast, uncharted territories of the New World. The stage was set in the bustling city of Seville, where the court of King Charles I buzzed with anticipation. The king's decree echoed through the grand halls, summoning brave men to venture across the treacherous Atlantic Ocean, to conquer lands unknown, and bring Christianity to the heathen natives. Among the brave souls who answered the call were Hernán Cortés and Francisco Pizarro. Cortés, a man of noble birth and ambition, sought to claim the riches of the Aztec Empire, while Pizarro, a seasoned soldier, aimed to seize the Inca Empire's golden treasures. Cortés, leading a small band of 600 men, landed on the shores of Mexico in 1519. The Aztecs, ruled by the fearsome Emperor Montezuma, initially welcomed the Spaniards, believing them to be gods due to their strange weapons and horses. However, this alliance soon turned sour, as Cortés' true intentions became clear. In the dense jungles and towering cities of the Aztec Empire, Cortés and his men waged a brutal and relentless war. The Aztecs, with their advanced civilization and vast numbers, seemed an insurmountable foe. Yet, the Spanish conquistadors, driven by greed and faith, pressed on, and in 1521, the Aztec Empire crumbled. Meanwhile, Pizarro's journey to the Inca Empire began in 1532. With a mere 168 men, he encountered the Inca Emperor Atahualpa in a small village. After a brief skirmish, Pizarro's men captured the emperor, demanding a ransom of gold and silver. Despite fulfilling the ransom, the Inca Empire fell to the Spanish, marking the end of a once powerful civilization. The conquistadors' actions set off a chain reaction, as waves of Spanish settlers flocked to the New World, seeking their fortunes. The once thriving Aztec and Inca empires were decimated, their cultures and people forever changed. The Spanish Empire, now stretching from the Caribbean to the Pacific, became a powerhouse, influencing the course of history for centuries to come. However, the conquistadors' legacy was not without consequence. The brutal methods they employed, including slavery, forced conversion, and genocide, left a dark stain on the annals of history. The New World, once a land of untouched beauty and prosperous civilizations, was forever altered, and the spirit of the Conquistadors' dynasty lived on, shaping the course of human history in the Americas.